So good morning from Mexico. We just arrived at the arena for the second day of the challenge. We have 5 matches today and let's hope for the best.
We are waiting for the first game of today. The Minika is already here and we are waiting for Uzbekistan. They seem to be missing. I hope they show up soon. Yeah, I hope today goes better than yesterday.
It should.
We are after our first match and we finally won our first win. So we are very happy. Now we're trying to improve our skills of driving because we had some issues and we hope that next time we'll win again.
Won our second game, so
We scored 705.
yeah, more than 700 points, even better than the last one. So yeah, we're happy.
Yeah, our team, South Africa, they were really nice.
Yeah.
They worked really good.
Yeah,
The
they developed the
strategy they developed was really nice. And we picked up all the solar panels. We did some combustions. I think 2 times high and a lot of time low combustion. So we are really happy and we are proud of this. At least something. So guys, now we had a really fantastic match. We are so excited and we are so happy about it. It's probably the best what could happen with us. So now we are 14th in the top countries and we are really happy of this and we want to thank our driver Macek. He's the best. Give him a high five. Yeah, and we are really happy that we had in our hands a so good team, Bermuda and another one was
Colombia.
Colombia, yeah.
Unfortunately, we lost this game because the Turkish robot just stopped working. I don't know what happened. It could be worse because we still got quite a few points, but we are still disappointed because of such a good start today. I hope the last match of today goes better.
So we just won the last game of today. That's it.
So we're already working on our strategy for tomorrow's match with team Iraq and Jordan. and because Team Jordan has some problems with their robot, we're all gonna try and help them to improve. So tomorrow's match can be as fast as it can.
So good evening guys, right now we have just finished the night to night dinner where we met quite a few people. We played some... which game did we play?
Just some Russian card game, I don't know.
Yeah, Russian card game with Andrei's new friend. She's really nice and we really like to play cards with her. Kristina won the game.
Yeah, I guess.
So that's pretty much it for today. We had a successful day. We won 80% of our matches, and that's pretty much it. So we're going
Now
to see
we
you
have to catch the bus because they're apparently leaving. So
yeah, we're gonna see you tomorrow. Bye.